Hey, y'all. Hey, Jesus Kitchen 69 is traveling. We're in Houston, Texas for the Chicago Bears takeover, right? I stopped by this restaurant called Skeeter. I'm gonna try this grilled salmon here at Skeeter. It has Mexican rice and mixed vegetables. Let's try it. Come on, sizzling off the plate. The rice, the vegetables. You know, I need me a cold beer. Here at Skechers. Let's try it. The rice is good. Oh. Salmon is very tender. Salmon delicious. So look, y'all. Subscribe to my channel, Adrice's Kitchen. 69 travel reviews and restaurants. I'm just all over the place. Subscribe, love, and like my channel. And every day, enjoy living your best life. Only $16.95 here at Skechers.